Hello and welcome to Penn State Up Close. I'm Deborah, and today I'm going to go over how to utilize your military education benefits at Penn State. VA benefits vary, so the first thing to do is to determine which type of benefits apply to your situation. Let's start with the Chapter 33 Post 9/11 GI Bill. To be eligible for this benefit, you must have served at least 90 days of active duty since September 10, 2001, with a maximum of 36 months of entitlement. Benefits under Chapter 33 can be transferred to dependents and are percentage based on length of active duty. These benefits include in-state tuition and fees paid directly to Penn State, a monthly housing allowance, and a $1,000 yearly stipend for books and supplies for recipients at the 100% tier. The housing allowance and book stipend are paid directly to the student. Another type of benefit is the Chapter 1606 Montgomery GI Selected Reserve. To be eligible for this benefit, you must enlist or re-enlist in the Selected Reserves or National Guard for at least 6 years and have completed the initial active duty training and 180 days of service in the Selected Reserves or National Guard. There is a maximum of 36 months of benefits, and the funds will be paid directly to the student. The next type of benefit is Chapter 31, Veteran, Readiness, and Employment. To be eligible for this benefit, you must be a veteran with at least 10% VA disability and need to submit an application through Veteran, Readiness, and Employment. Recipients of this benefit will receive up to 48 months of entitlement. Tuition, fees, books, and supplies are paid by the VA, and recipients may receive a monthly benefit for dependents. The final type of benefit is Chapter 35, Survivors and Dependents Educational Assistance. This benefit is for spouses and children of 100% services-connected disabled veterans or spouses and children of veterans who died in service. There is a maximum of 36 months of benefit for Chapter 35. All benefits, except for Chapter 31, must be applied for at www.va.gov. It usually takes the VA 4 to 6 weeks to process applications. Once an application is approved, the student will receive a certificate of eligibility outlining the student's benefit of program, length of entitlement in months and days, and, if applicable, percentage of benefit. Penn State has additional requirements that you must satisfy to be eligible to use your benefits. To start, students must provide the campus VA certifying official with a certificate of eligibility, or in the case of a Chapter 31 beneficiary, a purchase order from Veteran, Readiness, and Employment to utilize their VA benefits at Penn State. Additionally, students using benefits must complete the certification request form each semester before the Penn State campus VA certifying official will certify their enrollment with the VA. Failure to complete this step in a timely manner will result in a delay in receiving your benefits. Students must also report any schedule changes at any time during a semester to the Penn State campus VA certifying official. Failure to do this may cause errors in payment that can result in the student having to return funds to the VA or not receive funds that they are entitled to. In addition to the benefits already outlined, there are also special programs that may apply to you. The first special program is tuition assistance. These payments are made by the Armed Services to an individual on active duty. Both tuition assistance and Chapter 33 benefits can be used for courses and approved programs of education. Tuition assistance cannot be used with any other VA benefit other than Chapter 33. To be eligible for tuition assistance, you must submit a request and meet with the Education Services Officer or Education Counselor from your branch of service, in addition to applying for your VA benefits. Another type of special program is the PA National Guard Education Assistance Program. This is available to members of the PA National Guard that are in a degree program at an approved Pennsylvania institution. Eligible students will receive a grant from the state in the amount of the annual tuition rate and technology fee charged to Pennsylvania residents at a state-owned university. You can find a link to apply for the PA National Guard Education Assistance Program in the description below. Another type of special program is the PA National Guard Military Family Education Program. This program is available as a tuition assistance program for dependents of PA Guard members who enter into an additional 6-year service commitment with the PA National Guard. PA Guard members will receive a grant from the state in the amount of the annual tuition rate and technology fee charged to Pennsylvania residents at a state-owned university. You can find a link to apply for the PA National Guard Family Education Program in the description below. The final type of special program is the Edith Nourse Rogers STEM Scholarship. To be eligible for this program, you must be using or have recently used the post-9/11 GI Bill benefits. Additionally, you must be enrolled in a bachelor's degree program or have earned a bachelor's degree and are working toward a teaching certification or healthcare clinical training program in a high-demand STEM field. Students that receive this scholarship must have used all of their education benefits or are within 6 months of using all their benefits when the application is submitted. You can find a link to apply for the Edith Nourse Rogers STEM Scholarship in the description below. That's a quick overview of the different types of veterans benefits and how to use them at Penn State. If you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please reach out to Penn State Veterans Affairs and Services via email at ovp@psu.edu or online at veterans.psu.edu. We are Penn State.